welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you a few things that I have picked up to finish decorating my home for Christmas. Now, you guys know, or maybe you don't, I want to celebrate the true meaning of Christmas. There is absolutely nothing wrong with, decorating your home to the nines and just getting it all decked out for the season. But it's also important for us to remember the reason for the season. So yes, we can have our designer inspired Christmas trees and we can just decorate our homes to look so nice, but I don't want to forget the reason for the season. So I am going to be incorporating a couple of nativity scenes in my home for me and my family to enjoy. And I thought I would just share with you guys what I have picked up to finish those themes. So I told you guys earlier that I have 4 themes this year. One of them is a traditional nostalgic theme. It's called Christmas Morning. If you missed that video, I have decorated the tree, which is over here. It looks so nice, and I decorated the console beside the tree. If you missed those videos, I will leave them linked in the description box down below so you can go check them out. I am going to have a green tree in my family room, primarily green with some black and a few bits of gold. In my master bedroom, I'm going to do black and white. You guys know black and white is my signature colors. And in my loft area, I want to do a holy theme. So it's going to be all about the nativity. I showed you guys earlier where I finally found my acrylic nativity set. I was so happy to finally find that. I found it at Home Goods. It was a little pricey at $149.99, so $150, but it is worth it. Again, we're celebrating the reason for the season, and I want to just bring that into my home. So I have the nativity. I have the gold star that I picked up on clearance last year from Hobby Lobby. I told you guys about that. Well, I also wanted to flesh it out with some other things. So with that said, I went on Amazon and I picked up a few things to put on my tree. One of them being this cute little ornament of Mary and baby Jesus, and it's an African American Mary and baby Jesus, and it's so pretty. This is by Kurt Adler, and it's so nice. I just love the representation of this piece, so I wanted to add it to the tree so my little grandbabies can see themselves represented. I don't remember how much this was, but I will put up the pricing here in case you care to check it out. But I thought this was so nice, so I got this to go on the holy tree. And also, because I did not grow up with African American figurines so much when I was younger, I also picked up this nativity that reminded me of when I was growing up, when I was younger, and it's Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus. When I was younger, my mom used to have this really nice nativity. It was small, but it was really nice, and I just remember looking at it and just being so happy every Christmas, and I just wanted to have that represented on my tree. So this reminded me of that, so I did go ahead and pick it up. Again, this is from Amazon, and I will leave the pricing here in case you're interested. But I wanted to add that to the tree. And then also to add to the tree, I picked up some additional ornaments, and these were a bunch of wood cutout little angels. Now, the angels did not come in this color. They were like gray in color. So I did spray paint these gold, and there were like, I want to say 40 in the pack. So they all look like this now that I have spray painted them. So these will also be going on my holy tree. I'm going to add either some white silk ribbon or some black ribbon. I haven't decided yet, but I do want to add these to my holy tree. And then to go along with those angels, I also found these little stars. You know, the star is what guided the wise men to the birth of baby Jesus, and I wanted to have that represented on my tree. And I found these cute little stars. Just look how cute these are. Don't mind my nails, they're horrible. I told you guys, when you wear fake nails and you take them off, your nails look horrible for a while, so don't mind them. Just look at the little stars. So this is from the Grove Collaborative. So pretty. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 of these little stars. And I thought these was so cute, so dainty, would be so perfect for my holy tree. So I picked these up, and I will leave them linked in the description box down below as well, in case you care to pick up a set for yourself. And then you guys, I told you that I was doing, you know, a nostalgic tree for my Christmas, and I want to add, so let me give you a little story time. When my kids were younger, I would go every year and buy them a new ornament to go on the tree. And I stopped that as they got older. Well, when I put up my nostalgic Christmas tree, it just brought back all those memories. Just seeing my kids when they were little and how happy they were to put their ornament on the tree. And I want to create that same tradition with my little grandbabies. And so I decided to get each of them an ornament for their tree. And this is my oldest granddaughter. This is, I always get this, I call her Tatiana, and my granddaughter is like, no, Mimi, no, it's Tiana. So this is Tiana. I got her to represent my oldest granddaughter, Isabella. So I thought she was cute to go on the tree. And then my other little granddaughter loves Minnie Mouse. She loves to dress up as Minnie. So I thought this would be perfect for her to hang on the tree. So this is for Rosalia. And I also ordered ornaments for my two little grandsons. However, they have not arrived yet, but they both love dinosaurs. So of course, you know what their ornaments are going to be. And also this year, I have two new little grandbabies, two beautiful little twin girls, and I wanted to get them a special commemorative ornament. So I found this one on Amazon of two twins, and I had it personalized. It also has not arrived yet, but I'm so excited. So I'm going to keep that tradition going, and I thought I would share these with you in case you, like myself, have grandchildren and you want to get them, you know, a personalized, specialized ornament. Last year, I also did buy my grandchildren ornaments, and I bought them. I bought the kind that were glass. Well, of course, they didn't last very long. They got broken. So this year, I wanted to make sure I got something that was more durable, to last, so they can have it and give to their own children. So there's that. And then to go along to finish out my holy theme. So that's the holy theme and the loft and the holy tree. But I'm also going to have another holy nativity, and it's going to be in my family room. And I was at Ross and I saw this one, and just look how nice this is. So nice. It has the three wise men, Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. And I was thinking, okay, this is probably going to be about $40, but guys, no, it was $21.99. So nice. So I picked this up. This is going to be the center of my nativity scene down here. And then to go along with that, I also purchased these angels from Target to go along on either side of the nativity. These were $10 a piece. These are from, it's not from the Threshold, it's just regular Target brand, but this is how the angels look. So I thought these would be perfect. standing over to the side of the nativity, if you can get the scene, this is how it would look. And then, of course, you know, as I said, there is a star that guided the wise men to the baby Jesus. And so I also picked up these stars. I picked up 2 of the large and 2 of the small. These were $15, a little pricey in my opinion for what you get, but I just like the way the star looked. And then the smaller ones are $10. Sorry, I don't want to blind you, but these will be surrounding the nativity. And I thought this would be so, so cute. So again, honoring the reason for this season. And you know, it's not all about Santa Claus and dressing up our home. So I wanted to represent that in my home. And so I thought I would share those items with you guys. And also, while I was out at Home Goods, I showed you those little precious little guardian angels that I picked up for my grandbabies and from Home Goods. And while I was there, I saw this really pretty golden garland, and I thought this would look really, really nice on the mantle where I'm going to put the nativity upstairs to flesh it out. And this was $24.99, so not a bad price at all. And then the other item, all right, so another item that I picked up, I showed you guys last year these pomegranates that I fell in love with from our house, and I got them when they were on sale. I opened them up and they were way larger than I expected. I guess I should have read the dimensions, but I didn't. So when I saw these on the Studio Mcgee website, I thought these were perfect because I needed these for bowl filler. And I think they would look so, so nice in my entryway with my gold and black candle holders. And these were, I think they were 2 for $20. Not bad at all. This is how they look. They have like a sort of a gold, burnished gold type finish. And I thought these would be perfect. And you know, $20 for 2. I thought these were really, really nice. So I wanted to style these either in my entryway or to use them on my Christmas tablescape. I haven't decided yet, but I love these. I got a set of 2, so I have 2 of the larger ones and 2 of the smaller ones, but these are so, so nice. Give you a close-up view. Very, very nice. That I picked up to go with the nativity is not here yet. It is from Amazon, and it's a, I want to say 26-inch or 28-inch wreath. And I thought that would be perfect in my family room because you guys know I got new artwork in there. So it totally changed the direction of how I was going to decorate for Christmas. Normally I use, you know, black and white in there, and the prints are black and white, but they also have a gold frame. And so I thought I would bring in a little more gold this year. I told you guys my boyfriend doesn't like gold, but he does let me use it during the holiday. So I'm happy about that. But those are all the items that I picked up to complete my Christmas decorating this year. I know the video was short and sweet, but I just wanted to share it with you in case you also wanted to do a holy theme in your home and show you the items and how I was going to put them together. So if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you have a nativity in your home for Christmas or no? I know not everyone does, but I would be interested to know if you had a nativity when you were younger and if you're going to have one in your home now. So with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day. My next video will be decorating my fireplace. I don't know if I'm going to film that or if I will just show you how it looks after it's put together. If you would like to see me put together, this is going to be the mantle here in my lounge, which is part of my Christmas morning theme. If you want to see me put that together, leave me a comment down below. Otherwise, I will just go ahead and do it off camera and then show you once it's complete. So with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.